Hello, we're going to talk about the USA. Here's a map of the USA. The US has 50 states. We live in Massachusetts, and the capital of Massachusetts is this little star here. It's Boston. Every state in the US has a capital. For example, the capital of Texas is Austin. The capital is just a very big city in the state. Usually, you can find the government of the state in that city. So, every state has a capital, and there are 50 states. As you can see, north of the US is New Hampshire. South, we have Rhode Island and Connecticut. Also north, we have Vermont and Maine. New York is west of Massachusetts, and out here is the ocean. There are two oceans. There's the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Let's look at that on the map. I'm going to find a good picture here. So the Pacific Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean. Also, there's the Gulf of Mexico. To the north of the US, we have Canada, and to the south, we have Mexico. Let's look at a map of Latin America. This is a pretty good map. So you can see in the map, Guatemala is underneath Mexico. So Mexico is north of Guatemala. South of Guatemala, we have Salvador, Honduras, and there's a little country that's, I believe, not on this map. Let's look at another map of Latin America, and maybe we can find a better picture. Yes, this one has a pretty good picture. So you can see that Belize is actually east of Guatemala. Going down, excuse me about that again. Going down, we have Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America. To the north, Venezuela, Colombia, these two countries here. To the south, you would have Uruguay. I guess you could sort of say Paraguay and Argentina. These countries are really west of Brazil. So I hope you enjoyed this video about maps. Just remember, north, south, east, and west.